Great day everybody, welcome to Skill Up Dimension. Today we got here another video from audio software called Audacity. And today I would like to show you how to change volume at your audio tracks. What I mean by that is I will show you how to increase and decrease the volume of your audio. First thing you can do is set the volume at the left side of the audio track. Here you can see the minus and plus icons. So basically when you are going to the right, you are adding the volume, you are increasing the volume of your audio track. And when you are going to the left, you are decreasing the volume of your audio track. But basically you are impacting only this audio track. So for example, if you would have multiple audio tracks, you would have to do this at every one audio track. So yeah, this is the way how you can change the volume at your Audacity project. But basically there is one huge disadvantage, and this is that, as you can see, you can move just by integers. That means you can go just from 1 to 2 to 3 to 4, but let's say you want to increase your volume by 4.5 decibels. What then? So basically there is another way, of course. Firstly, you need to select part of your audio you want to increase, for example, your volume. So let's say we want to increase volume at this part. After you highlight your part, you will go to Effect and click on Amplify. Here you can see the amplification in the decibels, and here you can set the value by which will be your volume increased if there is positive number, or by what you will decrease your volume if there is negative number. Lower here you can see new peak amplitude in decibels. What that means? Simply, if we set our amplification at 0, you can see how much actually we can change our audio, how much volume we can add, by how much we can actually increase or decrease our audio to actually we reach 0 decibels. So let's go and add 12.69. So as you can see, we added 12.69 decibels to the right. So basically we will increase the volume of our audio by 12.69 decibels. Then click on OK, and as you can see, the wave changed, the volume of our audio was increased. Basically, as you can see, we set up the amplification at the maximum possible volume for the new peak amplitude, and this is why we can see that at one level of this audio we are actually touching the 0 decibel level. What is of course not great, as I said already in a few of our previous Audacity videos, but I just wanted to show you that if you will set this value, you can actually reach top of your audio track the 0 decibel limit. Now I will click Ctrl+Z, or basically undo, to go back, Effect, Amplify. So basically, as we could see, as we set 12.694, we went up to 0 decibels. But what if we want more? What if we would like to increase the volume by, let's say, 20 decibels? As you can see here, we cannot already click OK because it is above 0 decibels level, what is really bad for your audio quality, and for your sound at all. So this is why they don't want to let us go with this volume increasing. But if you really want to increase this volume by so much and by this basically destroy your audio, but let's say you want, you can click on Allow Clipping, and then as you can see, we can simply go by increase volume by 26.4 decibels. But as you can see, all audio track is just too noisy. The audio levels are too high, too many. Very often it is around 0 decibels, what is really not great. Okay, so I showed you how to increase the volume of your audio, and basically in the same way is working the decreasing of your audio level. So let's say we chose this area for now, and as you can see in the middle of this line there is 0 level. So basically when we went to the right, we increased the volume by plus decibels, and when we will go to the left, we are decreasing the volume by as many decibels. So let's say we want to decrease this volume by 5.5 decibels, we'll click on OK, and as we can see, the volume at this part of audio track was just decreased. So that's it. Basically those are the ways how you can increase and decrease the volume of your audio track. So if you want increase or decrease the audio levels just by integers, you can do it here. If you have multiple audio tracks, let's say like this, and you want to increase at every, but you don't want to set it manually, you can click on Ctrl+A, what will select all of your audio tracks, and then you will go to effect, where you can again by amplify effect increase or decrease the volume of all audio projects. But in the end of this video I have one warning for you. As you could see, we decreased audio here. Let's say we don't want it too low, we want it a little bit higher. Never go back to effect, amplify, and let's say add now 5.5 because we just decreased the volume. Never do this. This will destroy the original audio. It is so much better to just go Ctrl Z, or just click on this arrow here to undo, and as you can see we have original audio right here, right now, and it's not destroyed as it would be if we just use again the amplify effect in the opposite direction. So ladies and gentlemen, that's all for this video. I really hope I helped you. I really hope you liked it. If you want to support this channel, please hit the subscribe button. If you like this video, please hit like or write a comment what next you would like to see from us on this channel. And if you want, you can support us on our Patreon to support our tutorial project at all. Okay, so that's really all. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and see ya in the next video. Goodbye.